Hello, good day researchers. So this is Miss Zhong and welcome to Practical Research 1 with me. So for today, we are going to discuss on how to transcribe and how to do the coding table for the analysis in preparation of Chapter 2 of your research paper. Now, since you already did the interviews, let's transcribe your interviews. So first step number 1, listen to the audio recordings of the interview. So those transcribers of the group will listen to the recordings of the interview and then they are going to type it down. Okay, so i-type na nila, no? So like, hi miss, ako di ay si Sam, researcher ko sa Team Researchers 101. Good day to you. Ano ibutang din ha kung unsay sulti ni researcher. R means researcher. Okay. Now, next step, transcribe the recordings. One transcription per one informant. Again, unsa kaninang transcribe? Transcribe is to listen. Unsa gipaminaw nimo, imong isuwat. Okay, so since interview man to, so R is researcher, KI is key informant, no? Since they are our informants, we address them as our key informants, no? So kato atong mga respondents nga ni answers ato ang interviews. Okay, so you transcribe na nimo, hello, maayong adlaw. Okay, so i-transcribe na nimo, no, kung unsa ang imo ang nadunggan sa imong interview. That's how you transcribe. Okay, so kuan pila naman kayo separated imong parents. Okay, so mo na ang ilahang conversation, no, wala na akong itiwas din ha, since you already know how to transcribe. Mo na siya pag-transcribe researchers. And then Step 3, so listen the audio recordings. Mamuntoy step 1. Ang step 2, kay since naminaw naman ka, i-transcribe nimo imong ipaminaw. And then, since KI2 interview, so this is the interview, no? Butang talang mananatanan din ha. This is the interview for key informant number 2. So, kung pila ka mo informants mo, so hindi ka buok ng imong mga transcripts. I think that's clear, researchers, no? And now, Part 3 or Step 3, merge all the transcripts. So, ibutang nimo ni sila into kanang merged na siya, no, tanan nga informants. So, this is how it would look like, ang merged na transcripts. So, mag-start kita ni key informant 1. Okay, naana na din ha, no? What are your challenges? Kaya ilang SOP questions ani kay challenges man, and what are the realizations? So wala na apil din hino ang coping mechanism. So this is just for the sake of example. And then mo na siya, and then end of interview with key informant 1, i-highlight gid na siya kay tanan nimo nga interview din ni key informant 1, challenges imo ra na siyang gi ko ano din ha, and then realizations. Okay, and then next is end na. And then, motto researcher, and then KI2. So, okay. And then, human KI2, human KI3, KI4, or pila ba nakabuok ang imuhang key informant. So, nabot og 10, then key informant 10 taman. But if 5 na taman, so key informant number 5. Again, the number of your, how many informants you would interview would depend on data saturation. If ma-reach na data saturation, you can already stop conducting your interviews. And then, miss, unsa gining mga nay number 1, 2, 3 no sa kilid, 4, 5. These are line numbers. So, need that you will put line numbers no sa merge na transcripts ninyo. Okay, so that is for how to transcribe. Alright, how do we put line numbers? So, manong importante man so this is how you do the line numbers. Go to the page layout diri na tab. Okay, and then line numbers, no? And then click on continuous. So, need na siya because I'll explain later. So, mo na siya, no? Page layout, and then line numbers, click continuous. Okay, so na siya din ha. And then it's already merged, no? Merged transcript. So, key informant 1, and then tanan yung interview, and then after that, end of interview with key informant 1, then key informant 2, and so on and so forth. Iputang na siya dala researchers. Now, since one naman taog transcribe, let's discuss on how to do the coding table for the analysis. Now, since na naman mo'y kanang transcriptions, no, nag-transcribe na mo sa interview, you have to read it. Now, inikabasa ana, no, step 1 you read and then identify unsay mga significant statements, important statements that will answer your question. So, very good kay researchers, no? If you have noticed nga, hala, nalagi mga yellow na highlights. Those yellow highlights are the important statements, or these are also called significant statements. Basically, significant statements answer your SOP questions. Okay, I will explain, no? So, my first question, sir, is, what are the challenges you face as you have separated parents, no? Unsa man imong mga problema or challenges ba kuan nga buwag imong mama and papa? No, ka-challenges man. And then, the answer siya, kuan siguro ka na makaingon ko nga, so na ato siya ingon, no? Usa sa problema kay financial gyud lisod, oy, kanang gani. Akong mama ra, niya, duha iyang trabaho, para lang kami sa akong igsuon kay mapaskwela. Okay, kasi papa na ay laing pamilya, so wala na siya ka-support na mo ba? Okay, so kaning mga yellow researchers, these are significant statements. Now, imuha na siyang kopyahon, ang significant statement, then you paste it in your coding table. So, butang na ko na rin, no? So, sa problema kay financial gyud oy, kanang akong mama raman gyud ang duha, akong mama raman gyud unya, duha ang trabaho ba para kami mapaskwela sa akong maigsuon, no? Itong giingon niya here. Okay, ako na lang sa siyang i-close. So, no, tagsa-tagsa na, i-merge ni mo. So, I'll just close that one. And then, gibutang niya din, no, kasi papa na may laing pamilya, so wala siya ka-suporta na mo ba. Okay, so line number 13, 14, 15, 16. Line number 13, 14, 15, tara, gibutang. No, and then, napadjulain si papa na may laing pamilya, so wala na siya nag-support na mo. Okay, so gibutang sad na ako dira na siya. Okay, so manina. Okay. And then, what else, miss? So financial imong problema. Pila di mo ka book, sir, if I may ask. Upat me, and then I college, no? Kaswela ming tanan, unya ang tuition sa mayroon sa school kay mag-abot balisod. Oy, akong ate na may part-time job, pero ako wala man, di masugot akong mamagod. So, kana siya, it's a significant statement. It's one of the challenges. You put it there sa coding table. Okay. No? Miss, unsa din ang coding table? Alright, I'm glad that you asked that question, no? So, sa coding table nato na atay mga columns. First column, kani si line number. Okay, dari, kani siya. Line number. That's why it's important that sa merged na transcript na kay mga line number, no? Kay ibutang mo na siya sa coding table because in the analysis, you will refer to your line numbers. So, ibutang. Column 1, line number. Column 2 is your significant statement. Unsay mga importante na statement nga maka-answer sa SOP question nimo. And then sa imuhang column 3, you have formulated meanings. These are your sub-themes. Ang sub-theme, kay kung unsay pasabot sa significant statement, maura na siya ang sub-theme. And then sa last part, major themes. Okay, what are the major themes nga it's a collective bigger umbrella of the formulated meaning or the sub-theme. If you have noticed, researchers, sa kaning coding table, mo ni siya ang coding table for SOP number 1, which are the challenges of students with separated parents. Okay? Muna siya ilang topic, no? And then, all answers of the informants should be here. So, ibutang na din ha. Since kaning mga na-yellow din, nag-una nga mga answers, mo ni ang answers ni, very good, answers na ni key informant 1 sa challenges. So, yung usara na ka-informant, pero daghan kay siya na-mention nga challenges. And then, after na nasa dinhi kung unsay mga kanang gihatag na answer ni kuan key informant number 2, ibutang sa dinha. Okay, let's discuss this thoroughly para masabtan niyo guys. Alright, so sa transcript challenges, nangutana sa research, challenges nimo nga you have separated parents, no? So, muna usa sa problema kay financial, gaswela ming tanan, lisod ang tuition, gibutang din ha. So, ako na sad nang kay ikaw researcher, no, imuha mo ginang basahon. And then, not just basahon, but you have to comprehend, you have to understand. Okay? So, it's really important, researchers, that you have a critical analysis on unsay understanding nimo ani. Okay? So, since nag-ask ng challenges, nihatag siya ang answer nga challenges, sumunod significant statements because it will answer your SOP question. Now, let's go back to the coding table. Okay? So, mo ni significant statement no. I will read ha. Usa sa problema kay financial gyud. Lisod oy kanang gani akong mama raman unya duha iyang trabaho para lang sa akong mapaskwela sa mga para lang kami sa akong mga igsuon iha mapaskwela. Okay? And then ang formulated meaning ana unsa man. No, ang akong gibutang dinhi is the present single parent overworks because of financial problems. So na-mention niya no nga duha daw ang trabaho sa iyang mother. Okay? So, nag-overwork iyang mama para lang they can have school. So, mo na siya. Present single parent overworks because of financial problems. And then, dako nga umbrella ana, no? Daghan ang iyang work, nag-overwork siya. Ang dako nga umbrella ana is financial problem. So, mo na siya major theme. Mo ni challenges, no? Financial problems. So, another, let's have no significant statement. Si Papa na may laing pamilya, so wala na siya nag-support namo ba? Unsay formulated meaning ana nga significant statement? Lack of financial support from the absentee parent. Okay. Ang wala naman so separated parent na no. So it's called the absentee parent. Okay? And then wala sila gitagaan og suporta sa ilahang katong ni biya na parent. So ang major theme ana is akong gibutang under lack of support from both parents. Let's continue no. Another, gaskwela ming tanan. Unya, ang tuition o bayaran sa school kay mag-abot na. Lisod oy akong ate na ay part-time. Pero ako wala, kay dili man musugot akong mama. Okay, so, this is, ang formulated meaning na akong ibutang din na is school tuition fees. Akong nabutangan of children. No? Okay, kanang school tuition fees of children. Pwede sad, no? Kanang, and then, ang major theme ana is financial problems. Okay, so, since daghan man sila og bayranan, okay, and then, mo na, school tuition fee na siya, kanang under, ang formulated na meaning, ana. So, to continue, no, ang tanong ni adjust here, difficulty in paying the school tuition fees of children. So, mo ni no, ningon siya gaskwelatanan, and then lisod kay nag-abot ang bayaran. Okay, so ang ato ang formulated meaning or sub-theme sa kana nga statement kay difficulty in paying the school tuition fees of children. So unsay meaning ana nga statement, imo lang nang gibutang. And then unsa may major nga theme ana, no? So you can have that into financial problems. Ang kaning major themes researchers, these are unsa may mas dako nga umbrella nga imuha na siyang butang ang kana nga formulated meaning or kana nga sub-theme. So butang ta lang kani nag-overwork because of financial problem. What else? Kani difficulty in paying the school tuition fees of children. Asa man ni siya mabelong na umbrella no or bigger category. So financial problems na siya. Mo na siya mga challenges no sa separated parents ng mga students. Another, kanang dili na ko ma-feel nga supported mi sa ako. Kanang dili na ko ma-feel nga supported ko ni mama, kanang ganahan ko ma-feel sa track and field as athlete sa una pag yun na, pag junior high. Unya, dili ganahan si mama kay basin daw, mapasagdaan ang pag-school. So, based on the statement, ang formulated sub-theme on that statement, lack of moral support from the single present parent. Okay, so walay moral support ang ihang mama, no? With that, niya. Under na siya sa major themes. Ang major theme niya is lack of support from both parents. So, kani, lack of support sa iyang parent na present. But this one is lack of support, financial support from the absentee parent. So, if you've noticed, no, financial support, moral support, okay, sa kabisi ni mama, halos wala na gani siya oras para namo. Okay, no time for children, and then that's under lack of physical support from parent. Okay, lack of physical support. So, pwede na nibutang na lack of support from both parents. And then, pag last sem, kay top 10 ko niya, wala siya ni congratulate na ako, no, nga, akong tagibuhat ang gusto nga mag-focus sa school ba. So, may meaning unappreciated siya. So, wala na appreciate sa iyang parent, no, na present ang iyang efforts. So, lack of moral support from the single present parent. Ang iyang major theme, lack of support from both parents. Kanang sarapod mi magkitas ni mama kay duha iyang trabaho. So, iyang day off kay sa near gyud na pagid siya racket ana. So, no time for each other. Kasi busy si ang parent, sa iyang mama, no? So, diha na siya, lack of physical support. Kaya wala kay slave bonding. So, mo na siya, lack of support from both parents. Sometimes po, kay maglagot ko kay kanang dili siya ma-appreciate sa akong efforts sa akong grado gani. No, kay na-mention top 10 but wala kayo siya na-appreciate. Kay busy lagi ang mama kay 9 work. Anger due to unappreciated efforts, no? So, mo na siya ang meaning ana, and then dito na nato mabelong sa lack of moral support from the single present parent. So, under na siya sa lack of support from both parents. Okay, so mo na yung mga major themes. So, ingon ana ng siya researchers, no? Ibutang imuha jud na siyang basahon sa imong transcript. Okay, unsa man ani challenges, kani ang challenge niya. So, sige atong i-highlight into yellow. Okay. So, kanang realization, masuya ko. Okay. Ansa pa, always felt gani ang kulang akong pagkatao. Okay. Night times kung kadungog ko nga maghilak. Okay. Lisod, lalim, di lalim. Another realizations kanang I think I am more understanding and more patient as a person growing up. Okay. So, imo nang gi-highlight. Ipangbutang nimo highlights, no? Yellow. Ang mga significant statements. So, ano man ang mga significant statements? Mga significant statements or important statements, no, researchers, that will answer your SOP questions. Basahon na nimo, and then unsaon nimo, once you read that, you understand unsay pasabot ani. Okay, mo ni siya pasabot ani, so ibutang nimo siya sa formulated meaning or sub-themes. Kay you formulate the meaning of unsay meaning sa significant statements nga gihatag. Okay? So, kamoy mag-analyze ana researchers ha. Kamoy mag-analyze ana. So, since na kay significant statement din unsay pasabot ana? Mo ni pasabot ani, ibutang nimo here. Okay? So, unya na lang ninyo butang ang major themes, no? Kay ang major themes man god, inyuhan na siyang ma-extract ang major themes. Nigtan-aw ninyo sa mga sub-themes ba nga, okay, kani nga sub-theme ba, pwede din ako mabilong sa usa ka major theme. Like kani, niingon siya, no, nga, kanang overwork because of financial problems and then difficulty in paying the tuition fee. So, sa kaning duha ka mga statements here, pwede din ako mabilong into one major theme. Sige, ang major theme ani kay financial problems. So, that's it. You've already made your major themes. Okay. So, that's how you do your coding table. So, SOP1, challenges, no? And then, ibutang din natin ng answers. And then, SOP2, unsa to, realizations of students with separated parents, ibutang nimo din. So, kada coding table is kada SOP. So, if you have SOP questions nga duha, so you have kani, challenges, kana siya, and then, ibutang nimo din tanan. And then, SOP2, unsay realizations, no, of students with separated parents, ibutang na nimo din ha. Okay, so kanilang gani nga answer, no, mao ni siya nga mga answers. Si key informant 1 rani, daghan kay siya mga nahatag na mga important nga mga statements, no. And then after ni key informant 1, ato na din kani key informant 2. Okay, ato sa merged transcripts. Okay, so kanino key informant 2 si Papa. Okay, what are the challenges? So lisod kaayo kay na train me nga ma-matured og sayo. Sige, so let's copy that. And then, let's put it in our coding table. Sorry. Ang ako dala, no? Lisod kaayo. And then, what's the line number? Lines number 95, 96, 97. Okay? 95 to 97 nga line number. And then, mo na siya lisod kaayo kay like na-train mi sa akong ating magluto ng laba, manglimpyo at an early age. So, I guess, na-matured ganin mi og sayo. Okay, so based on that statement, unsa man ang imuhang ibutang na formulated meanings. Okay? So, butang lang nimo dira na kanang saman matured early. And did the household chores as a kid. Okay, kini naman siya nga magluto daw siya, manglaba at an early age. Okay, nabiyaan sila sa ilahang mother around grade 3. So around grade 3 na training na sila to do the household chores. So ano lang, butang lang matured early and did the household chores as a kid. Yeah, since that is your formulated meaning, no? And then unsa may mabutang nimo nga kanang major theme, no? Major theme out of that, no? Matured early and did the household chores as a kid. So as a challenge nila, unsa man nga challenge nimo mabutang din ha. Okay? So you find unsa ang major theme that can fit into that. Alright, so like that's it, no? You wrote there, matured early and did the household chores as a kid. And then, pwede nimo nga ibutang siya sa a major theme, and then the major theme that you would put is doing the roles of the absentee parent. Kay in this case, ang ilang mama, no, ang leave, separate nila. So, ang ilang papa ang raise nila. So, you can put that there na doing the roles of absentee parents since they are the ones doing the kanang chores of their mother. Okay, kasi sila nagluto, naglaba, nanglimpyo sa house, and all. Alright, so that's it. That's how you do the coding table. And I think I can suggest no researchers that for it to be easier, pwede ra jud na i-assigned na ninyo nga, sige, ikay magbuhat sa coding table ni key informant number 1. Okay, so siya ang magbuhat nun ni key informant number 1 sa challenges, and then sa coping or sa realizations. Then sige, ikaw ang magbuhat sa kanang coding table, no, sa significant statements and formulated meanings, major themes ni key informant number 2. Sige, ikaw ni key informant number 3 para ma-divide and conquer ninyo ang task, no? I can also recommend that, researchers. So, mo na siya ang steps, no, how to do the coding table. You have to understand the transcript, answers of the informants, and then you choose the significant statements. Kani din kanang inyong gipang butang din na sa transcript, gipang yellow ninyo, gi-highlight. That's your significant statements. Next, get the implied meaning, no, words or phrases of the significant statements. Unsa may meaning anang giingon niya nga usa sa problema kay financial yun. Okay? Sa kana nga significant statements, gi-formulate mo ang meaning na the present single parent overworks because of their financial problems. No, kay siya rin nagbuhi sa iyang mga anak. Next, group the similar meanings or sub-themes from the answers in the transcripts, and then they are your major themes. So akong giingon ganina, kay ningon siya nga, okay, because of financial problems and then difficulty in paying the school tuition fees of the children. So unsa may implied ana nga major theme, dako ang umbrella. So that's your financial problems nga major theme. Those are the steps, no? Again, you have to understand the transcript and say answers sa informants. These are the significant statements. Get the implied meaning of the significant statements, then that will become your sub-themes. Group the similar meanings or group the sub-themes from the answers in the transcripts, and then they will become your major themes. That's how you do the coding table. So, mo to siya, how to transcribe and how to do the coding table. Alright, so next na lesson will be how to do chapter 2, no? How to do the chapter 2 sa ating mga analysis. Alright, so researchers, good luck and God bless everyone, and stay safe and stay healthy. So, I hope this helped you, no, sa coding table and the analysis. Alright, see you researchers on our next synchronous classes. Bye guys!